Buhi is a mystic town located south of Camarines Sur in Bicol Region. It is bound on the east by Mount Malinao, on the west by Mount Asog, on the north by Sangay-Buhi mountain ranges, and on the south by the low-lying ranges of Pulangi Albay, with the coordinates of 13 degrees 25 minutes 42 seconds north, 123 degrees 31 minutes 12 seconds east. The town is situated 503 kilometers southeast of Manila and 53 kilometers southeast of Naga City. It has a total area of 191.8 square kilometers and politically subdivided into 38 barangays. As of 2007 census, it has a population of 70,756 people. Regarding urbanization, Buhi is classified as partly urban and under second-class municipality. The present Buhinons are the descendants of the refugees and survivors who fled from the wrath of Albay's Mount Mayon when it erupted on February 1, 1814. Hence, the town's name Nakabuhi, which means the one that got away or escaped. But this was shortened by Spanish chronicles to Buhi, meaning able to escape. Lake Buhi and other lakelets are the main sources of livelihood for its residents. Major activities such as agriculture and fishing greatly depend on the lake's resources. It provides almost 4 to 5 metric tons of fish a day. But most important of all, it is the home of the famous goby fish, Sinarapan, Mysticis luzonensis, the smallest commercial fish in the world as recorded by Guinness Book World of Records. This fact is certainly reason enough for it to become the town's pride and the entire country's as well.